Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 13 minus x divided by x minus 13 is equals to 13, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. First we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. Here we move the term x minus 13 from left hand side to the right hand side, so it will be written as 13 minus x is equals to 13 is multiplied by x minus 13. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we have 13 minus x is equals to, here we multiply 13 on both of these two values and we obtain 13 times of x minus, this is 13 multiplied by 13 becomes here 13 square. And now here we move all the terms from left hand side to the right hand side. We obtain 13x minus 13 square, so this positive 13 becomes negative 13, this negative x becomes positive x, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now here we add or subtract the like terms, so we have 13x plus x becomes here 14x minus, this is 13 square becomes here 169 minus 13 is equals to 0. So when we subtract here 169 minus 13, we will get, so here we have, this is 14x minus 169 minus 13 is equals to 182, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Further we have, this is 14x is equals to, we move minus 182 to the right hand side and we get positive 182. And now further in order to get the values of x, we need to divide both of the sides by 14. So when we divide each of these terms by 14, we obtain 14x divided by 14 is equals to 182 divided by 14. So this 14 and this 14 are gone, and we get here x is equals to, this is 182 divided by 14. So we divide this in this way, so we divided by 14 and we have 14 ones are 14. When we subtract these, we get here 42, and we obtain here 14 threes are 42. So here it means that 14 times 13 becomes here 182, so we get the value of x is equals to 13. So here we get only one value of x into the first method, and that is equals to 13. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of x be the solution, or is this value of x be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 13 minus x divided by x minus 13 is equals to 13. So here we substitute the value of x is equals to 13 into the left hand side, and this will becomes here 13 minus 13 divided by 13 minus 13 is equals to 13. And in the next step we have 13 minus 13 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 13. So you see that in the left hand side we have 0 over 0 form, and it is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 13 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we called that x is equals to 13 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. Also you see here we cannot get any other value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. This means that our given question has no solution in general. So this is the our final answer which we get here from first method. And now we again solve this problem for second method. And for second method, we need to copy down given question statement here. It is 13 minus x divided by x minus 13 is equals to 13. So this is our second method, and our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in the second method, we need to focus on numerator term. We have this is 13 minus x. Here we have minus 1 be the common term. So when we take common minus 1 from here, we just change the sign of both of these two terms, and we get this is negative x becomes positive, and this is positive 13 becomes negative 13, and it is divided by x minus 13, and this whole equation is equal to 13. And now in the next step, you see here this x minus 13 and this complete x minus 13 factor are cancelled out by each other, and we get minus 1 is equals to 13. And now you see here minus 1 equals to 13 is not a possible case. It is not possible that minus 1 equals to 13, because in general these two values are not equal. So if these two values are not equal, this concludes about that in the second method we cannot get any value of x which is satisfied our given question statement. So this means that this question has no solution. Also in the second method, here we cannot get any extraneous root, because we cannot get any value of x, or we cannot get any roots of this equation. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.